I've been comparing Softr and Airtable throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review of which one might be better depending on what you need. Softr is a fantastic tool if your goal is to quickly build a client portal, website, or internal tool without writing any code. It's simple to use, works beautifully with data from sources like Airtable or Google Sheets, and has drag-and-drop templates that get you from idea to live product fast. But here's the thing. Softr relies on an external database, meaning you can't really manage your data from within the platform itself, and it can feel limited if you're working on something more complex or dynamic. Airtable, on the other hand, is all about managing your data. Think of it like a super-powered spreadsheet that also acts as a database. You can use it for everything from project tracking to CRMs to editorial calendars, and the automation tools built in are surprisingly strong for a no-code platform. However, it's not meant for creating front-end apps out of the box. You'd still need something like Softr to make your data look good for public or client-facing use. So in simple terms, use Softr when you want to build something visual and ready to share. Use Airtable when you want to organize, automate, and manage complex data internally. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.